Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by identifying the physical ports on your Chromebook. Look for HDMI, USB-C, or mini DisplayPort ports on the device. Carry a compatible adapter such as USB-C to HDMI or USB-C to VGA. Verify the projector accepts an HDMI input or VGA input with a proper adapter. Inspect the projector cable for damage and test continuity if possible. Keep a short HDMI cable under 3 meters for reliable signal and minimal clutter. Power on the projector and set its input to the matching HDMI or VGA source. Connect the adapter to your Chromebook and then to the projector. Use a short HDMI cable under 3 meters for a more stable signal. Close unused apps on your Chromebook to reduce CPU load during projection. If casting wirelessly, turn off other wireless displays to avoid interference. Wait 10 to 20 seconds for the projector to sync and display the Chromebook screen. Open Chromebook settings and navigate to the display section to manage output. Choose Mirror to duplicate your screen or Extend to create a second display. Set the external display resolution to 1920 x 1080 for most HD projectors if that option exists. Adjust scaling so text and icons remain readable from your audience. In sound settings, set audio output to HDMI or the projector if you want.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.